strong ball pressing machine has the advantages of high ball rate, small power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging. The equipment is a kind of high-tech equipment, specially designed for strong ball pressing. It can effectively save power use, optimize the environment, but when the machine is running, we must pay attention to a problem, namely heat dissipation. Many customers don't pay attention to these details when using the machine. Today, to understand how to deal with the heat dissipation problem in the operation of the powerful ball press, if there is no heat dissipation for a long time, the service life of the machine will be greatly shortened, and sometimes some parts of the machine will burn out, which directly leads to the rupture of the machine. Therefore, the heat dissipation of the ball machine is very important, and the long-term operation of the machine is also very easy to cause problems. This problem cannot be ignored, because once the internal parts of the machine are burned out, due to the internal overheating of the machine, the replacement of parts is more troublesome, time-consuming and laborious.